Hi there, it's a new year, and are you thinking about buying a home? That's exciting, and today I'm sharing what not to do before buying a house so you'll be well prepared and able to buy a home this year, especially if you're a first-time home buyer. So let's get started. Hi, I'm Carla Eisel with Keller Williams North Atlanta here in Alpharetta, Georgia. If you want to learn about all things real estate in the North Atlanta suburbs, then be sure to hit that subscribe button. Also, don't forget to tap the bell so you'll be one of the first to know when our videos are posted every Tuesday. And be sure to watch to the end because I have a pro tip especially for you. I love working with first-time home buyers and helping them buy their first home. It's very rewarding. And it's important to foresee any issues that could cause problems for them. That's why it's key to know what not to do before buying a house. Also, if you've already started the process, you'll want to avoid making these mistakes as well. Many of these issues are mortgage-related mistakes that can easily be avoided and save you a lot of stress and time. Speaking of time, what's a dentist's favorite time of day? 2:30. Get it? Real estate and comedy. Tell your friends. All right, back to it. Number 1, don't miss loan payments. It's important to keep your payments current on any loan accounts you have, such as car loans and credit cards. The lender looks at your credit during the pre-qualification of your loan and will look at your credit again before you finalize your mortgage. If you've missed any payments, it may lead to you losing the loan. I've had buyers that think once the lender issues their loan commitment, they're all set. This is not the case, and lenders have the power to revoke a mortgage commitment and will do so if they see fit. Number 2, don't apply for any new lines of credit. Another mistake many home buyers make is opening new lines of credit to start preparing for their new living arrangements. I know you're excited and you want to start buying furniture and appliances to fill up your new beautiful home, but you have to hold back and be patient. Taking on new debt, even for household-related items, changes the state of your credit and can be a red flag to the lender and lead to losing your loan approval. Number 3, don't buy a car. Without a doubt, buying a car while purchasing a home is a common mistake and is at the top of the list of what you shouldn't do before buying a home. Sometimes that feeling of knowing you're finally going to get a home of your own can be so exciting that you start looking at other ways to improve your life, like buying that car you've always wanted. This is a big mistake and can throw a wrench in your home buying plans. Your loan pre-approval was based on the state of your debt load and your credit at the time of pre-approval, before you bought a car. Adding debt from a car purchase may make you unable to get the loan for the home. It's better to wait till after you close on your home to make that purchase. Number 4, don't shift your finances around before getting the loan. When a lender pre-approves you, that approval is based on the current state of your finances. It's so important to maintain that state of your finances at all costs. No pun intended. I've seen buyers that make the mistake of shifting money to better position themselves. You need to wait to make any financial changes until you've gotten your mortgage. If your money is moved around various accounts, it requires a detailed account of why you moved the money and an explanation letter to the lender. You need to avoid making this mistake and keep your money in one place before closing. Number 5, don't start banking at a new institution. Money that appears all of a sudden in your bank account will make your lender uneasy. They much prefer that you have the money that will be used for your down payment in the same account for at least 2 months. This 2-month period is known as seasoning and demonstrates stability and your ability to cover loan payments. So don't give your lender a reason to scrutinize your loan by making a significant deposit or doing anything unusual with your finances before a home purchase. Number 6, don't be a cosigner for anyone. When you co-sign for a loan, you're obligating yourself financially. Even though you're not the primary on the loan, if the lender needs money and is unable to get it anywhere else, you'll be responsible for paying the loan. Home lenders are well aware of this and are disapproving of an applicant that decides to co-sign. No matter how badly you may want to help out a friend or a family member, it's best to postpone until after your home purchase. Number 7, avoid changing jobs. It goes without saying that changing jobs is not something you should do in the middle of purchasing a home. One of the things lenders look closely at is your employment history. Changing your job before you get your loan may cause the lender to think you're unstable or that you won't have steady income to keep up with the mortgage payments. It's all about stability during this time, so keep your move under wraps until after the closing takes place. Number 8, don't let anyone make inquiries into your credit. When you apply for a credit card, a loan, or even signing up for new service like a cell phone, the company you're working with will make a credit inquiry. They do this to determine if you're a safe risk, much like a mortgage lender does. But when a mortgage company sees these inquiries being made, they assume you're trying to take out more debt, even if you aren't. While 1 or 2 inquiries aren't enough to lose your home loan, there's no reason to take this risk when you're so close to getting your home. Now it's time for my pro tip, and it's a tip worth knowing. Having your credit checked by multiple lenders when buying a home does not affect your credit score all that much. FICO scores are predictive when it comes to loans that involve rate shopping, such as a mortgage loan, auto loan, and student loans. For these types of loans, FICO scores ignore inquiries made in the 30 days before scoring. So if you find a loan within the 30 days, those inquiries won't affect your FICO score while you're rate shopping, which is good news. So there you have it. That's my list of what not to do before buying a house. Many first-time home buyers are surprised to discover just how many ways you can mess up a home purchase. Unfortunately, making mistakes is easy when you've never bought a home before. That's why I'm here to help. Thanks for watching, and check out some of my other videos for more helpful information.